Hey everybody, what's going on? So I'm super excited today. I got this new Corsa Performance exhaust. This is a Corsa DB, and I'm gonna install this baby on my truck. And it should only be about an hour install time. Let's do it. Alright guys, so what I've got here is a 5.0 Coyote engine, 2015 model F-150, and from what I was able to find, it didn't really matter exactly the bed length, but it does matter about the cab size. So make sure you put in the correct cab size if you're going to go order one. And here we got laid out is the muffler, tailpipe, and the tip of the pipe. And right here, you see it, DB. Don't ask me what it means, I'm actually not too sure, but it's still awesome. And right here, your instruction manual for it, and this is the clamp to put your pipe on the muffler, and on the pipe on the engine side is the clamp for the muffler to the rest of the exhaust. It's just one clamp that bolts it on. Take WD-40, spray your grommets, and you can take them off the hangers and slide it out the rear end, and then you start putting your new one on. Alright, so we finally got that pain in the ass of an exhaust off. Now we're going to see how it sounds without a muffler. Don't sound bad like that. A little bit. Alright, new exhaust is on. Let's fire it up. Actually sounds better than without the exhaust at all. Not bad.
Not bad at all.
That was actually noticeably different too. It's important. Alright, well that's basically it. With windows rolled up, you can see pretty quiet. Corsa is pretty well known not to have a droning effect, so it's a quiet cab. If I gun it on it though, you can hear it. But I mean, just coasting down the road, down the highway, quiet. Love it. Alright guys, so I've had the exhaust on the truck for a whole week now, and I gotta say, each and every day, every time I start this up, it sounds so good. It sounds better and better every time. Only downside, because you're always wanting to hear it, my gas mileage has really been bad. But road noise, you know, you don't hear it in the truck at all. It's so quiet in the cab. Freaking love it. Highly recommend it. Alright guys, there you have it. Really easy install, sounded really good. If y'all like this video, hit like and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all later.